Hello guys, today I'm back with another unboxing video. Today I'm going to open soldering kit which I ordered from Amazon. I just wanted to try how these things actually look. Okay, let's open this one. Another box. Ask me about I thought this thing would be in a box. Here's the cutter. Okay, let's open this. Come out. Yes. I've used this thing for cutting wires. It feels comfortable. I think this is the desolder pump. I don't know how we use this. To the next, soldering wire. And soldering flux. Yeah, that's paste soldering. I don't know what is that. And the solder stand. Yeah, Hero offers to solder. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.